Good morning children, how are you? I hope you all are feeling good. Today we will discuss, our topic is prepositions of time. Read the following sentences. Now we will see prepositions. When we use prepositions, now we will see. Prepositions. Read the following sentences. Aliens came to Charan's village at night. At is a preposition. It is a preposition. They might have come at 11 o'clock. At 11 o'clock time. So 11 o'clock. So at. When everyone was sleeping. They did not come on Saturday. On Saturday. Once Amma came with the blazing torch, the aliens disappeared in 2 minutes. So, prepositions of time. These are the prepositions of time. So, time. So, when we use at, on, in. These are sentences we use in prepositions of time. At, on, in. Now we will see. I will draw. In the sentences given above, at, on, in. Now we will see at, on, in indicate the time when the event would have taken place. These are called prepositions of time. So given below is a chart which will tell you when to use prepositions of time. So now I will draw a chart so you can understand when we will use prepositions of time. So I will draw a chart. So this is the chart, beta. Hours. Hours. Days. Weeks, months. Weeks, months. Years. Decades. Years, decades. Centuries, in. So at we use 8 hours. On, for days we use on. In will use for years, days, months, decades, centuries. So these all we can use in. Timing hours I said no, 5 o'clock PM in the evening. 12 o'clock. 7 AM in the morning, 7 AM at the morning, 7 AM. On means it may be Friday, days. I said no, Friday, on birthday, on my birthday, on my birthday, 7th July 1964, 7th July 1964. So these are the on Friday, on my birthday, on 7th July 1964. Now we'll see 2 weeks. In 2 weeks I will return the books. In July month, in May month, in July month, in May month. In the year 1970, 1980, in the year 1970, 1982, So year, in the year. The 80s, we can use in 80s. The 800s. The 800s. So these are the time prepositions of time. So we are discussing prepositions of time. Prepositions of time. So hours, days, weeks, months, years, decades, centuries. 8 hours. 8 hours. At 5 p.m. At 12 o'clock. At 7 a.m. in the morning. So days. On Friday. On my birthday. On 7th July 1964. So these are the days will come on. And for time, it will come. For hours, it will come. For days, on will come. For weeks, in. Weeks, months, years, decades, centuries. So it comes in. And 2 weeks. It may be weeks, it may be months, it may be years, it may be decades, it may be centuries. So what will come? It will come in. What will come? In will come. For weeks, for months, for years, for decades, for centuries. So in will come. So these are the chart. I am showing that prepositions of time. Prepositions of time. So are you understand my exemptions in 5 minutes in the morning, in the afternoon, at night? These are the exemptions better. So I hope you all understand about the prepositions of time. So you had any documents, we will discuss in a Zoom class. Thank you. Have a nice time.